What's up, guys? I'm here at Giant State Park, and this thing, I believe, I'm gonna zoom in here, is a muskrat. There he is. He's hanging out by the side of the road. Probably about as big as they get. What's going on, dude? Where are you going? Off he goes. Right by the creek here. He's chilling. See how close they'll let me get. There he is. I ain't trying to get you, dude. Yeah, they're pretty docile. So, anywho, that's all I got for you guys. Peace out. Let's see if I can get a little closer. Zoom out. I have a hard time seeing them. There he is. Alright, peace out, guys.